How to make background appear closer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then, tap on Photos from the options at the top. Select the photo you want from here and then pinch on the photo to zoom and crop it. You can also change the size of the clock font as well. Once you're done, tap on Add Above. And then, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily make background appear closer on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.